Today I'm going to show you how to show or hide the apps shortcut on the Chrome Bookmarks bar in just a few seconds. This is a simple Chrome customization, but it can make your browser feel a lot cleaner if you like a minimal setup, or more convenient if you want quick access to your apps from the Bookmarks bar. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, the next thing you need to do is make sure your bookmarks bar is visible. If you can already see the bookmarks bar under the address bar, you're good to go. If not, just press Ctrl Shift and B on your keyboard. That shortcut will toggle the bookmarks bar on, so if it's hidden, it will appear, and if it's already showing, you'll still know where to find it. Now that the bookmarks bar is visible, right-click anywhere on the bookmarks bar area. A small menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for the option that says Show Apps Shortcut. This is the setting that controls whether the apps icon appears on your bookmarks bar. If the option is checked, that means the apps shortcut is currently being shown. Click on Show Apps Shortcut to turn it on if you want the shortcut to appear. You should immediately see the apps shortcut show up on the bookmarks bar. This is useful if you want quick access to Chrome apps and related shortcuts without digging through menus. If you ever want to hide it again, just right-click on the bookmarks bar one more time, go back to Show Apps Shortcut and click it again to untick it. Once it's unchecked, the apps shortcut will disappear from the bookmarks bar right away. So the whole process is really just two steps. Right-click the bookmarks bar, then toggle Show Apps Shortcut on or off depending on what you want. And that's it. You now know how to show or hide the apps shortcut on the Chrome Bookmarks bar. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.